Presenting the 2012 Volkswagen Beetle. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include navigation system, front-wheel drive, heated seats, seat heated driver, leather seats, audio upgrade sound system, premium sound, Sirius satellite radio, audio satellite radio and MP3 sound system. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.